Assalamu alaikum dear students. Myself Dr. Zahid Nazir. Dear students, in previous lectures we have discussed about endocrinology and endocrine glands like hypothalamus, pituitary gland, thyroid glands and parathyroid gland, and the hormones of these glands and their actions. Today we will discuss about few important MCQs about these glands, hypothalamus, pituitary, thyroid and parathyroid glands, which are most important from entry test as well from board examination point of view. So let's start. Question number 1. Oxytocin and ADH are basically the hormones of which of the following endocrine gland? Option A, pituitary. Option B, hypothalamus. Option C, thyroid. Option D, parathyroid. ADH and oxytocin are associated with hypothalamus. We have discussed in previous lecture, so answer should be B. Question number 2 is all are the tropic hormones except, means all are tropic hormone except one. Option A, FSH. Option B, LH. Option C, TSH. Option D, testosterone. These all are the tropic hormone except testosterone, so answer should be D. Question number 3 is posterior lobe of pituitary gland, which of the following type of hormones? The option A, oxytocin. Option B, prolactin. Option C, TSH. Option D, ACTH. So the posterior lobe of pituitary gland stored oxytocin. Answer should be A. Then question number 4 is the hormone associated with secretion of tropic hormones from the anterior lobe of pituitary gland. Option A, RH, means releasing hormone. Option B, IH, inhibiting hormone. Option C, thyroid stimulating hormone. Option D, melanocyte stimulating hormone. So the answer should be RH, releasing hormone, which is the hormone of hypothalamus, which stimulates the secretion of anterior lobe of pituitary glands as a tropic hormone. Question number 5. Myxedema condition is due to option A, hypothyroidism. Option B, hyperthyroidism. Option C, abnormality of pituitary gland. D, none of these. So answer should be the option A. It is associated with the low secretion of T3 and T4 hormone from the thyroid glands. So answer should be A. Now the question number 6 is hyperthyroidism is characterized by all of them except. All are the characters of hypothyroidism except one. Option A, intolerance to cold. Option B, loss of weight. Option C, increased heartbeat. Option D, profuse sweating. All these three are associated with the hypothyroidism. Intolerance to cold is associated with the hypothyroidism. So answer should be A. Question number 7. Milk production in the mammary glands is stimulated by option A FSH, option B prolactin, option C TSH, option D oxytocin. So production of milk is stimulated by prolactin. It is a trophic hormone we have discussed in previous lectures. Question number 8 is the hormone which considered as hypercalcemic in nature. Option A PTH, option B calcitonin, option C the insulin, option D MSH. So hypocalcemic, calcitonin we have discussed in thyroid gland. Calcitonin is termed as hypocalcemic hormone. Then question 9, exothermia is characterized as due to option A too low secretion of T3 and T4 hormone, too high secretion of T3 and T4 hormone, option B. Then option C is too low secretion of calcitonin, option D too high secretion of TSH. So this is exothermia, that is due to too high secretion of T3 and T4 hormone. So answer should be B. Then question number 10 is hormones of which of the following gland is responsible for the maintenance of basal metabolic rates of the body. Option A pituitary, option B thyroid, option C parathyroid, option D hypothalamus. So the basal metabolic rates of the body is maintained by the hormones of thyroid gland. So answer should be B. This was few MCQs about your entity test point of view. From these glands, these type of multiple choice question important for entity test as well as the board examination point of view. Inshallah, next we will discuss about other type of glands and their MCQs. Thanks.